Koreana Hotel. That's the entrance over there. Right at the entrance is the washroom. Got a tub over here, got the sink, and a toilet with a bidet. Right there. You all know I'm using that for sure. Then you got a closet, John's fancy suit. Got 2 beds, queen size beds. Pretty nice. Better than last accommodation. I can do this. Couldn't do that in the little dinky room we had last night.
You could have.
No, I would have broke a hip and got a concussion. And that's the view that we have. We'll be here for 4 days, and then we're flying off to Jeju Island.
Not me.
Except for this guy. This guy's going home.
Hell yeah.
So he's a party pooper. But yeah, this is our home for the next 4 days. Looks nice. Looks nice. I'm here with Eric. We got Tavis and Natalie over there. We're here at, where are we, Eric?
Yo, we have some nice palace.
We're at Gyeongbokgung Palace. Right, Eric?
Right, that's right, you're right.
Eric doesn't even know where he is right now. Eric just landed last night. He had a good night. Good night out.
It was good.
Tired. He slept. He barely slept, but
It was worth it.
it's worth it. He's gonna have a good time. Good time in Korea.
We're going out every night.
Going out every night. Hear that first? Here. Proof.
Shot for shot?
Oh, Eric wants shot for shot. We'll see tonight.
I'm just kidding. My body's a temple.
All right. The temple. Can we go inside?
What was it doing?
Oh, looks cool. Go here. It's the temple. Pretty cool. So you can't actually come in here.
Yeah, you can't actually go in. I guess they're trying to keep it like. That's cool.
These pro photographers behind us. Why are you laughing? Oh, Eric. This place is bigger than I thought. Nice hiking spot. Beautiful scenery. Beautiful photographer. Look at this place. Huge.
Backpack. Waist strap, back strap.
So this is a house of a medium income local back in the day in Korea, apparently. Looks pretty cool. You laughing here?
It's just funny.
We got Tavis here with Insta360 doing some sick shots. We're gonna grab lunch. Can't wait. Can't wait for some knife cut noodles and some mung bean pancake. Some raw crab, marinated crab. And just walking around. It's pretty quiet here so far. It's not that busy. We're gonna
11:38 a.m.
It's true. Probably not the main spot. Can't wait. Eric here, Natalie, Tavis, and then Jason's gonna join us. Not even that hungry right now, but I'm sure when I start eating, I'm gonna be hungry.
After that first bite,
That iced tea killed me. We're waiting for Tim and Eric right now, but we're scoping out all the food to see what we're gonna eat. But they all look pretty similar. Some waffles there. Some tteokbokki, seafood, some medications, some gimbap.
No, the rice.
Everything's pretty similar.
it looks very similar. Yeah.
Huge lineup for the lady that was featured on Netflix. But I see her over there. That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Look who it is. Look who finally showed up. Jason, Tim. You guys ready to eat?
Yeah. No, we did a loop. It's like really hollow. It's so big. We have no idea how much of it we covered.
Yeah.
Yeah, finish it up to here, and then
Yo.
all the food's over there.
I'm ready to eat some mung, nice noodles. Some dumplings. We saw the Netflix lady, but her stall is like surrounded by a bajillion people. But then like everyone else sounds like,
But like, what did she sell?
everyone else sounds like the same thing. It's like nice cup noodles, dumplings.
Make the next Netflix thing.
All right. All right. All right, we'll go find one right now. We'll probably just sit at one. Oh, there's marinated crab. I want to see this. The marinated crab there. It's a marinated crab.
Marinated crab.
Look there.
Oh yeah, the marinated crab.
We can probably do that after.
Yeah, let's come after.
After an actual meal. All right. So excited.
자, 엉기로 삼촌아 엉기를 조금만 더 가면 안 될까?
I think I'm gonna get the normal chopped noodles and then
There's knife cut noodles. Okay, maybe I'm skipping that.
and then
Yeah.
I'm gonna get some steamed dumplings.
There's one with dumplings, chopped noodles and dumpling soup.
I don't know. What are you getting? Oh, I think Roger said he's getting that.
I'm just gonna I'm just gonna try the OG.
Yeah, it's just good. Yeah.
Alright, dumplings are here. I'm so excited. Oh, they have. No good.
Yeah. This will record me eating the whole time. I totally forgot about it. I was just eating.
네, 아이고 말도 잘하네. 자, 저 탁실로 가. 이쪽으로 가. 세 사람 가요.
Noodles are so good.
Kimchi's pretty decent too.
Yeah? Oh, yeah.
Got my chopped noodles. Looks so good. Gonna try it.
조금만. 오빠 많이 샀어.
So good.
So good. That noodle texture.
So bouncy. Alright, I'm gonna finish this. All finished. Sweating my balls off. But so good. I'll give that a 9 out of 10. Solid 9. What would you 9? 9. Natalie? Rate them 9 out of 10. How's your meal?
Yeah, 9 out of 10.
몇 사람? 두 사람요.
Good.
How's your meal, Tim?
두
Out of 10.
살 있나요? 두분 뒤로 가세요.
8? 8? Okay. Yo, Jason, how would you rate your meal?
Out of 10.
7.5? Should have got the knife cut, man.
It's too hot.
Did you try dumplings?
It's okay. I tried dumplings from Tim.
Alright. Alright. Solid meal. I'm pretty satisfied.
I just like trying like people.
On to the next.
Different kimchi. Yeah. Next.
Hello. Can I have one? Getting a mung bean pancake right now.
One more?
I'm sorry, not.
Perfect. We'll share one.
I'm good. You can take like a bite.
Take a bite.
Trying the mung bean pancake. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, 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 cheers. Cheers. Alright. Take a bite.
What's right? What?
Oh, here, just take a bite.
Bite, yo.
Take a bite from this one, and this one.
Take a bite.
Like a vegetable hash brown kind of thing. I gave it like a 7.5.
7.5? Pretty high.
7.5.
I didn't 7.5.
What's a McDee's hash brown?
Also McDee's hash brown, give it like 7.
Oh, okay, alright.
It's got a little more beef, meat
Some
to it.
sriracha.
Oh,
Sriracha.
with sauce, this would be so good.
The crispy outside though is really, really good. Crispy layer on top.
That's gonna pack
Yeah, can we do the
How many?
how many?
What?
The crab. How many?
How many do we use?
How much for one?
20,000 won?
20,000 for one.
$20. Yeah, sure.
Just get 3.
Three total? 3 total? You want to try?
Yeah,
Okay.
It's like 10 bucks for one.
감사합니다. Alright. Glove up, guys.
Glove up.
Put some protection on Tim. Got my left hand ready. Double glove.
Alright, we need one more.
Okay.
I like how she's prepping us on the side.
I know, right?
There's like no food ready.
Can't wait to eat some raw crabs.
People are ready to order.
감사합니다. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Oh, man.
Okay. How much are we paying for all this?
I have no clue. I don't know if we're getting scammed.
We might be. Netflix.
Cheers.
I gotta record this.
It doesn't happen if there's no footage.
I reached too low to record.
Cheers. Your coat.
Haven't had these in a while.
So good.
getting low.
I'm prepping it over there. Cutting it up. Oh, the crabs are here. Oh, looks so good. Gonna get our picks in there.
Oh my. I gotta get my camera.
Oh, should you cut it up? She what? Should you cut up the... Well, I guess we can cut that up.
We can just spoon.
Yeah, we'll share.
We can just spoon. Grab
No, it's not. It's not. What's that?
Pass. Take a bite and you pass it around.
Got this. Not bad. Not bad.
Whatever. Okay.
Like 7.58.
7.5? This would be my...
Eight.
What the case
It's not bad. It's warm. It's warm. The rice. Eat it. Got you.
Hair on it too? Nice.
Try. First bite of raw crab.
Not bad. It's like really fun.
How do you guys like it?
I like it.
Good. We give it like solid 7.58. Yeah, same. 7.58. 7.5. 7.5. 7.5. Eric?
Yeah,
Still deciding?
7.6.
7.6. Oh, okay.
Yeah. I think it's like...
Alright. Gonna finish this up.